What? Is that what's causing this? Okay, so we have just received word that that the InnoTech Reactor Research Facility, the one we were praising 5 minutes ago. Yeah, the reactor they made, which was supposed to be super safe, it's having a meltdown. They just told us that. And their supercomputer, one of the most powerful in the world, estimates that the reactor is expected to explode with the force of 3.5 megatons of TNT. For reference, the nuclear weapons we used on Japan 50 years ago were only 20 kilotons. Those bombs obliterated the cities they hit, and that reactor's explosion is expected to be over 100 times as powerful. You can see why they issued an evacuation order, just trying to get as many people far away as they can before the thing blows. Honestly, I'm with them.
Tornado procedures.
Forget taking
Everyone.
anything with
Get in
you.
the equipment
Just
closet.
get in your car
Go,
and drive
go,
as
go.
fast and as far away as you can if you're anywhere near the facility. If you're farther out in the city like us, get to the most interior room of the building you're in.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Oklahoma County DES. Oklahoma County 911 and non-emergency phone lines are currently down due to a regional phone outage. Fire, EMS and police stations are manned. Due to the severity of the outage, no alternative phone numbers are available.